Guys, we haven't been going overseas for so long, but now we are, and we're so excited. We're going to China!
So after a quick meal at the airport and a 10-hour sleep, we arrived at Guangzhou, China. So after another 2 hours of car ride, we finally arrived at our destination, Zhuhai Changlong Ocean Kingdom. The entrance is a stingray-shaped building with a large display screen. So cool. Changlong Ocean Kingdom is actually the world's largest aquarium, and it's got so much marine life. Today I'm going to show you a few of them that I loved. Penguins is always my favorite. Look at how cute they are. That's like the movie scene in Happy Feet. I believe I can fly. My sister's favourite is stingrays. She loves all of them, big or small, because she believes that all the stingrays smile at her and whisper at her. Duh. She might be a mermaid last life. Alright guys, check this out. Wow, what a view, and this big fellow seems so relaxing. But I've noticed there's only one polar bear. It has no friends. I wonder if it's lonely. If I were him or her, I would definitely feel lonely. Bye-bye, lonely bear. Underneath this massive blue building is the Whale Shark Aquarium. When I stand in front of this tank, all I can think about is, oh my god, these guys are massive. And I'm only the size of a little fish. I'm Nemo. I'm also very curious, how did they get them here? Were they born here? Or did they catch them when they were baby sharks and they take them away from their mum? Oh no. And also, what happened to that broken tail fin? These beluga whales are so smart. They can nod their head, they can shake their tail, they can twirl around, and they can dance. They can play with their coaches. How cool is that? Oh, check out these otters. I love otters. Also guys, check out their movement. So they send out a few vanguards to check if there's any danger. Once they feel it's all safe, they report to the leader. And check this out. Follow me, guys. Let's go. Fascinating. There are a lot of rides at Changlong Ocean Kingdom, and we went during the low season, and we didn't have to queue up for any rides. We just played endlessly till dark. There were a few performances and parades, but my favourite one was Flyboard. It's so cool. Oh my god, there's so much going on. There's fireworks, water fountains, flyboards, and explosions. I thought everything was over, but then the drone performance shows up.
Oh, I see the drones.
This is the first time I've ever seen a drone performance. It's so cool. It blew my mind.
Wait, what is it doing? It's like a drone?
And a big love heart to everyone who visited the park.
欢迎您再次光临。
欢迎您再次光临。
That was so cool.
The next day we visited Chimelong Spaceship. It's an indoor theme park. The decorations are so cool. It's like the tree in Avatar. Check out these very playful seals. Guys, there's so many underwater tunnels in Changlong parks yesterday and today. Seriously, I've lost count of how many underwater tunnels I've gone through. These giant floaty things are manatees. This is my first time seeing these guys. See, it's actually whispering to my sister. These ones, my mum said their prints are very fashionable, but it actually triggers my trypophobia. Oh no, my eyes! she's a very beautiful mermaid. I think she's prettier than the mermaid in the Little Mermaid film. That's just my opinion. Don't attack me. I loved the shadow show. These performers have such a wild imagination. So amazing. There's a whole level of indoor theme park. Can you believe it? We went during low season, so we went on the rides over and over and over again without queuing. And this Bermuda Storm 5D is so amazing. I rate it 5 out of 5. You need to actually be there to feel how cool it is. Last but not least, I want you guys to meet the Orcas. These animals are so intelligent, just like the Beluga whales. But when I watch the performance, the same questions pop up in my mind. How did they get them here? Are they happy here? How did they learn all these skills? And also, what happened to this big guy's fin? Alright, this is the end of our trip in Zhuhai Changlong. Shanghai, here we come. Guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. Bye.